Today we're going to be doing our first practice dish, fillet of sea bass with a beautiful sauce vierge. Hi guys, my name is James Howe, this is Chef at Home. Welcome back to my masterclass, and today we're going to be doing our first practice dish. We're going to be using the sea bass that we learned to fillet in a previous lesson. If you've missed that video, I'll put the link in the video now and you can come back when you're all caught up. And I'm also going to be showing you a sauce vierge, which is a very light oil-based sauce which consists of tomato, garlic, lemon and caper. Okay, so first things first, we need to prepare the sea bass ready to cook. A little drizzle of oil, good pinch of salt, really helps crispen up the skin, and just a little bit of pepper. Remember, when you're seasoning, salt enhances, citrus enhances, vinegar enhances, pepper alters the taste. But just be careful when you are seasoning, learn that balance of flavour as you're cooking. Pepper you often need a lot less than you will salt. Okay, so I've got a pan on here with rapeseed oil. It's on a medium heat. We're not looking to fry the hell out of this. We're going to gently cook it. So with your fish, lay it away from you, and with your fingers just walk along the fish, and it just keeps it nice and flat. Next piece in, and same again. Okay, while that's cooking, this is going to take all of 6 minutes to cook out, so we need to work quickly for the sauce. So tomato, if you remember those vegetable cuts from previous lesson, just want to dice these, so that's a nice brunoise there, and just pop that into a bowl. Okay, clean the board down, pop some garlic. You can do the microwave trick I've shown you previously if you like. Good way to prepare this is start off with a julienne, then a little bit of salt, not much, it's quite salty by nature, then flat of the knife, just press down. What we're going to end up with is basically a puree, and that's just going to incorporate a lot better. Bowl clean again, your basil, and shred it down. With herbs, golden rule, the more you chop it, the more flavour you're going to leave in the chopping board. You don't want it in the chopping board, you want it in the dish. So I'm just shredding through once, and again into the bowl. Capers, don't need many, about a dozen or two. Almost there. Juice of a lemon, and good glug of olive or rapeseed oil. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Give that a good mix, pop to one side. Now, it goes under. I'm going to have a look at this fish, lift it slightly. I can see the skin is starting to really crispen up, and I can also see up the side that the colour has gone from translucent to a solid white about 3/4 of the way up the fish. That's a visual cue for me to know that I now need to turn this over for the last minute, just gently. A common concern that I get from a lot of my commis chefs from cooking fish is they're just a little bit intimidated by cooking it. A few seconds over and it's lost a lot of the texture and the flavour from the fish. That's why you can't just go by times or just go by temperature. You've got to look for the colour changing, look for the texture of the skin. All these things come into play. Now, all that remains to be done is just to check that this is cooked. So I'm just going to give it a little tap. It's springy. Turn it over with the slightest press of my palette knife. It's just starting to flake away. It's absolutely perfect. Now time to plate up. This really is the simplest but most effective dish. Piece of sea bass. Crisscross. Now the sauce. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of lemon zest. And there we have it, guys. The most beautiful sea bass sauce vierge. Light, it's full of flavour. It's 6 minutes. Send me the pictures of your attempts to my Facebook or Instagram. The next practice dish, we'll be going on to Cajun chicken with those thighs that we prepped. But for now, please subscribe to the masterclass and make sure you don't miss a video. Please take a look at the rest of the channel. I'm also doing festive treats and a guide for preparing Christmas dinner. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon.